Good afternoon. Currently, I'm here in Cantinflas, so I'd like you to look at the view. It's really super amazing. So it's overlooking. I'm currently at the peak. Ako sa tuktok ng bundok. So, pasyal muna tayo. Halika, halika. Ayan. Ha? So, tingnan nyo guys. Kasama ko ngayon si Kenneth. Ayan. It's a very overlooking side. Very kadip na hinghingal pa ako. Please bear with me. Okay? So, please enjoy the sight. Please stay tuned on my channel. And look at the view, guys. It's super breathtaking. Hinihingal ako sa kakaakit sa bundok, guys. It's super nice. And it's really cold in here. It's actually currently it's 12:30 in the afternoon. At tapos ang lamig-lamig ng hangin. Ayan. So by the way, Cantinflas is sa bukirin ng Cebu. Dumaan kami sa Balamban. Tapos Balamban papuntang Cantinflas. Pero kanina galing kami ng Tuburan, Kabuelan, tapos ng Balamban, and here. Now currently home. So ayan. Ganda ng mga kabayan. Very relaxing. Okay? For watching. So, mainit na. Malamig pa rin ang hangin.